Good evening, class. How are you today? I hope you're all doing well. Tell me, where were you yesterday? Were you at home? Were you at school? Ali, please ask Mariam. Ask about yesterday evening. Good job, excellent. Mariam, please ask Sarah. Sarah, please ask me. Great, I was at home yesterday all the day, from morning to night. You know, this is pandemic. I don't go out. Alright class, if you don't have any questions about last session, let's review what we had. I want you to ask and answer questions related to past. About yesterday, yesterday morning, evening, last week, last night. Alright? Ali, please ask Mariam. Ask a question about yesterday morning. Where? Very good. Where was your mother yesterday morning? Excellent. Very good. Mariam, where was your mother yesterday morning? She was at home. Good job. Thank you. Now it's your turn, Mariam. Please ask Sarah about last week. Were you? Excellent. Were you at home last weekend? Great job. Were you at home last weekend, Sarah? No, I wasn't. Where were you? You were in the park? Great. Now, Sarah, please ask me. Ask about last January. Very good. Were you with your parents last January? Excellent. Good job. Yes, I was with my parents last January. Thank you. Alright, class. Now I want you to listen to this audio I'm going to play and try to get some information about Jack. Where was he? Was he at school? Was he in the park? What did he do? Who was he with? Ready? Let's listen together. Let's start. Where was Jack? Was he at home or was he at school? He stayed home. Very good. Excellent. He stayed home. Excellent. What did he do at home? He planned. Excellent. He planned his lessons. Very good. And what else do you remember? He played with his brother. Good job. He played with his little brother. Excellent. Good, good. Anything about watching? Did he watch anything? He watched a movie. Good. He watched a movie. Excellent. Did he do anything about cleaning the house? He cleans the house. Good job. He cleaned the house. And what did he do at night? He started to play. Excellent. He started to play with his friends. And did he enjoy? Yeah, he enjoyed it a lot. Excellent. Thank you very much, class. That was awesome. As you can see, we normally add ed to the end of the verb in order to change them into past tense, right? Now, what do we have here? Excellent. Plan, planned. Pay attention to end. Play, played. Excellent. Watch, watched. Clean, cleaned. Start, started. Excellent. And enjoy, enjoyed. Good job. Now, class, I want you to listen to the audio and pay attention to the sound of the ending of the verbs. Ready? All right, class, Now please try to give me the examples for the sound D. What do we have? Smelled. Excellent. Very good. Smelled. What else? Rolled. Very good. Excellent. Rolled. And cleared. Excellent. Cleared. Very good. Now let's go to sound 10. Walked. Good job. Walked. Look, this is dead, but it sounds 10. What else? Kissed. Very good. Excellent. Kissed. And give me one more example. Brushed. Excellent. Brushed. I brushed my teeth last night. And now let's move to sound 8. What examples can you give me? Visited. Excellent. V-Z-ted. Visited. Good job. What else? Ended. Excellent. Ended. Very good. Very good. They ended the relationship. Excellent. And edited. Very good. Edited. Thank you very much, class. It was excellent. All right, class. Now I want you to work on this question and the answers with your partners. Take your time for 5 minutes and try to think about the answers to this question. Then we will work on together. All right, Ali, please ask Mariam, what did you do yesterday? I visited my friends. Excellent. Visited. Very good. Mariam, ask Sarah, what did you do yesterday? I played with my friends. Very good. Played. Excellent. Sarah, ask Ali, what did you do yesterday, Ali? I cleaned the house. Good job. Thank you. Cleaned the house. Very good. Now I want you to ask and answer yes/no questions. How do we make a yes/no question? Did. Good job. Did you clean? Excellent. Very good. No ed. Did you clean your room yesterday? Good job. Now, Ali, please ask Sarah. Did you clean your room yesterday? Did you? Yes, I did. Good job. Now, you ask Nargis, please. Did you play with your friends? Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, you please ask me. Did you visit your parents? Yeah, I visited my parents. Thank you, class. Now, please, you ask John. Did it snow last January? Good question. Thank you very much, class. Okay, now I want you to get into groups of 4 and talk about this question. What did you do for your last birthday? Try to use as many past verbs as you can. You've got 10 minutes. All right, let's do it together. What did you do for your last birthday? I invited my friends. Very good. Invited. Excellent. What else did you do? Decorated the place. Yes. What else? You played. You played with your friends. Great job. Recorded films. You recorded some films. Very good. Did you listen to any music? Yeah, you listened to music. Okay, and did you clean the house when you were finished? Good job, cleaned. Thank you very much, class. Thank you. For next session, I want you to listen to the audio version of the story I share with you and try to answer the questions about the character of the story. His name is Mike. Try to see how Mike passed his last holiday. Answer to the 20 questions. Next session, we will talk about it. Thank you, class. Now I'm going to hand in some questions. Please read them carefully and answer in 5 minutes. Then we'll check together. Thank you very much for having this class with me. Have a nice time.